So here's today's fun project. I'm going to be installing a dash cam inside the Kawasaki Ridge. I'm sick of holding my phone and filming at the same time while I'm driving. So this will do all the filming for me automatically. It's a 3-camera system and it's rated at 4K. It's supposed to be with the best on the market. So we'll see. Here we go. So this being a 3-camera system, we'll install 1 camera on the windshield facing forward. 1 will be installed on the rear facing backwards. And then we'll also have an interior camera installed. I already prepped the unit by dropping the headliner to figure out where I'll put the wiring. I also ran a cheat wire down the pillar because I will be running the cable through there and then tying to the cigarette lighter right over there. And if I do like this system, I will then hardwire it to the unit, giving it power when needed. So the hardest part is figuring out where to put this thing. So I put it right smack in the middle of the Kawasaki logo here. The mirror will cover most of it, and then the wires will run up in here and then into the headliner, hiding it. So it should look pretty good when it's done. So let me get this all wired up and move on to step number 2. So I fed the wire through the pillar. A little tip on this end here. When you're going to feed the wire down through the dash here, if you take off the cup holder, you can gain access to wire and it makes it much easier to feed it through. Just a little tip I found. So here we have the finished product. I installed the interior camera above the mirror so you can see both the driver and passenger. The main unit itself is hidden behind the rearview mirror. I then ran a wire to the other side here and connected the backup camera, or the rearview camera as you can call it. It's a 2K camera, so when John's behind me, I can film him. The extra wiring I taped up in the roof of the side-by-side so it's nice and secure, it won't rattle. And that is it. The installation took me about half an hour. I'm excited, and I don't have to hold my iPhone anymore. Yay! So that's the installation of this 3-channel dash cam system, which is a 4K in the front. The interior and the rear are 2K, so I should get some pretty good quality videos. Thanks for watching. This is Thor with the ATV Superstore. Have a great day. If you like it, a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. See you later. Here is our test run after installing the camera. I also put the filter on the front camera. Again, this is 4K in the front, and then in the back and facing me are both 2K cameras. We'll just do a short little ride here in my subdivision. And I have it hidden behind my rear view mirror. I have a little tiny part I can see, but not much. Wolverton Mountain up ahead. That was it. That was the test. Back in my messy garage. So that was it. Let's see how it turned out.